Boyabat's geology allowed for defensive positions of its fort perched on a mountaintop. Roughly 40 million years ago, volcanic activity created these geologic features. The basalt waterfall flows over volcanic rocks formed by erosion of volcanic layers. It's approximately 100 feet in height as it cascades over these ancient rocks. Rice cultivation is a significant activity in Boyabat. The region's suitable climate and water resources make it conducive to rice production. The rice is considered the best in Türkiye and was a favorite of the Ottoman sultans.